Why do we need different programming languages? Why do we need it? Why do we need Java for building backend application? Why do we need Python for writing scripts? Why do we need .NET for building another .NET applications? Why do I need Go language? Why do I need JavaScript? Why do I need AngularJS or React.js, Next.js? Why do I need shell scripting? Why do I need Perl, Ruby? Okay, so many languages are getting introduced every. See, so far, so many languages were introduced. Even frameworks are introduced. Development build tools were introduced. So many plugins are introduced. To develop an applications, we require all these things. Consolidation of all things are using all these things. Then only it will result some end product, right? So developer has to learn all these things and he has to work on that. But my question is, why do we need all these things? Why can't we have a single programming language that will do the back end programming, that will do the front end programming? Why can't we ask artificial intelligence to create one standard programming language for the whole world? I mean, if you want to develop any application, we will just use the standard single programming language. It will develop application. If I simply ask AI develop application with so and so requirement, it will develop it and it will display it. It would be very easy for an AI if it is trained on single programming language. The problem is when users are doing things in different languages, there the issue is arising, right? We need different people who are having the different skill set, and they will work on the languages to develop an application, and then integrating all these different third party applications to make it as a single system, single distributed system. So why do we need all this? Why can't we have a single programming? Right, we use the same single program to develop messaging queues, to develop application programming interface, to develop UI, to develop APIs, okay, to develop any libraries with single programming. That makes the life easy, right? So I think we can do it using artificial intelligence. If artificial intelligence can really generate something, then all the knowledge in the databases can be understood and processed by the single programming language. Right, just like we have English as a common language for worldwide, most of the countries are following. So if we have a single common language for the application development, it makes the life easy. So why can't we have that single programming language? So what happens if we have a single program? So we can think in that way, and in future maybe we hope we may get a common universal programming language, which can be the language for the universal AI agents. They may use it, or if we simply ask AI to do something in that language, so it will do that immediately. Right, we don't need to write a lot of frameworks or things, anything. We can simply build any AI using a single programming, and the AI can communicate with other agent also in the same language format. There will be so many benefits. So I hope in future definitely we will get a common language that can be created by AI, artificial intelligence. I don't know, so just my thought, I expressed it, and thank you for listening.